Landon. Oh, Landon, show me your muscles. Let me see how strong you are. Well, okay.
It's like,
hi.
no press. No press. Landon, come here. Come here.
Where's your belly, baby?
Okay,
Right
mommy.
there. Landon, where's your belly? Show mommy your belly.
Show your
Belly.
muscles. Say, girl.
Oh! Kinda. Go play basketball?
Split the defenders, Ava and Mia.
Woo! Good job! Yay! What are you doing?
He's celebrating. There
You gonna give Ava a kiss? Give Ava kisses. Well, I can't see you. Woo! Whee! Say yahoo! Woohoo! That's right.
They're right here.
Yay!
Ready?
Set, go! Woo!
Ready? Set. Go!
Let him say it. I think it's hilarious. Oh! Get the ball. Oh! Ball. Well, you didn't say it. Whee! Say ready, set, go. Oh, that was so tough. Kinda. Say ready, set, go. Go. Woo! Yay! Say it's December 29th, 2008. Mommy doesn't even know what year it is, buddy.
Say ready.
Woo! Oh no! You okay? Show me your muscles. No, I didn't see them.
Show mommy your muscles.
There's all the stockings. Little bees. Landon's, mommy and daddy's. Woo! Landon, is mommy gonna have a baby? Landon. What? We lost your ball. Landon, can I have a kiss?
Hey, Landon, blow mommy a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
It's frustrated face.
Landon. Can I have a hug? Can I have a kiss? I want him to say his no, sorry. Landon.
Landon. Hey. have a kiss? Have a kiss? Thank you.
Hey! How come Daddy didn't get any no sorries?
Make it go. Good job.
Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Hey, I got one. Are you stinky? Landon. Daddy, stop. Landon.
Hey. Are you stinky? Go. Are you stinky? Bless
God
you.
bless you.
Landon, are you stinky?
After he sneezed, I don't know if we want him to do that. Alright, Bubby, say bye-bye. You need to go to bed.
Bye.